Hey guys, it is January the 1st, 2025, and I am here at the Florabama, here on the Florida-Alabama line. We're going to be watching the polar bear plunge that takes place here at noon today. While we're waiting on everyone to get here, we're going to go ahead and go over here next door to the Waffle House and get some breakfast. While we're waiting on everything to get ready for the polar bear plunge, we'll do a little walk around here. This is the Florabama Yacht Club. It's actually on Old River. You can actually come up to this by boat. Little restaurant here. And this is the Florabama Old River Grill. It's a cold, chilly morning today for the polar bear plunge. I'd actually considered doing it, but we leave in a week for Hawaii and I can't risk getting sick. So that's going to be my excuse. We'll go see what the costumes of the people and who are brave enough to actually hit the water this morning. It's around 48 degrees. Good morning. In just a few hours, a few thousand crazy people are going to hit the water right out there. "2025 has officially kicked off here on the Gulf Coast." Lots of very cool costumes out here today. We'll see how many of them actually go in the water. It was 48 degrees this morning when we got up. It's warming up a little bit. The sun's taking a little bit of the chill off, but it's still cold. Now the Gulf is perfect for today. Crowds are starting to file in. There's a couple little ladies up there that's got some 1920s swimwear they're wearing. It's funny. Pirates, princesses, Donald Trumps, a little bit of everything. Here comes one of the ladies now in the 1920s swimwear. Gotta love it.
Where you want to go? Oh, yes.
Awesome. Who was here last night till way too late? Few of you for sure. Hey, listen, there's a couple of things you need to know. Your orange ticket is going to be good for your free beer, and that free beer is redeemable on the beach, not inside. So grab your free beer on the way in under the red, white, and blue tents. And then your pink ticket is going to be for your food. But here's a good thing. We don't all have to cram down this sidewalk right here. We can all go to the right side on the east.
Crowd's getting bigger. And that was the Polar Bear Dip 2025 here from the Florabama. Thank you for watching the videos. Thank you for subscribing. And that was the Polar Bear Dip at the Florabama 2025. January 1st, 2025. Thank you for watching the daily video vlogs. Anything you'd like to see around the Alabama Gulf Coast, just drop it down in the comments. I'll see if I can include it in some of my daily vlogs. Again, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. Happy 2025.